back to my channel. Today we are going to be making lazy Laab. So I bought this from Hy-Vee, as you can see. I bought the beef loin steak because it's got all that fat. It's gonna be so good. What I'm going to do is just put some salt over it. And then I am going to be putting some ginger root in it. Sorry, these are a little dry, but this will do. Normally when they're fresh, they're a lot better, but this is all I have. And then we are going to put some soy sauce in it. Just sprinkle it on top like that. And then we are going to put this into the refrigerator when you want to wrap it for about 2 hours. I'm gonna do mine for about 4 hours because that's when my husband gets home. So I'm gonna leave in the refrigerator, and then I'll tell you what else we're gonna do with it. So our vegetables or our ingredients, we are going to use green onions. I already sliced these up into little strips, and then we are going to be using mint, which I already cut up, and then this is Asian cilantro. I already cut these into bite size. We are going to be putting this into our stirring dish, and then we are going to fry our steak. We're going to be frying our steak that we seared in the refrigerator. And I already turned the stove on and the heat is on high. I'm just gonna turn it to medium heat. And I'm gonna put the juice for the steak. And then you wanna put the vinegar over it. Sorry, I don't have my pan, so this is kind of cool. So after we fry the steak, we're just gonna cut it. I let it sit for about 2 minutes. We're just gonna cut into it. And then if you want to, you can shave this fat off, because I know my husband will not eat that. I will not eat it too. Not just him, me too. So I'm gonna cut this in half, and I'm just gonna cut this little piece off. Make sure that you shave the fat off if you don't want it. And you just want to cut it into thin slices, really thin, but make sure don't cut your fingers off like I'm about to do. Do you guys see that? I like my steak a little pink, so that's why I didn't cook it all the way through. But if you like yours cooked thoroughly, just cut it through. Like that. I cut it at an angle just so that it is curty, but you can choose to cut it straight if you want to. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting it, and then we are just going to set it into our mixing bowl for the other ingredients. After you fry the beef, you're gonna put it into the stirring pot, pan, whatever it's called. I'm going to use this for my seasoning because it's got everything in there already. I am going to use lime and fish sauce. I'm gonna rip this before my hands get oily and then I can't rip it anymore. This one, it's got like the rice. I'm too lazy to do the, you know, to fry the rice and then chop into little pieces. There we go. Steak is all nice. And you want to make sure that it cools down before you put it with the herbs, because if you don't, then it is going to fry it, and that's not what we want. I'm just gonna put a little powder over it, fish sauce over it, and then lime juice. Oops. And I'm just gonna use my hands since it's nasty already. Now I can also tell if I put enough. I didn't put enough fish sauce in there because it's not moist. It's kind of dry. There we go. That's consistency. So since we put more fish sauce, we have to put more lime juice in there. And then you guys know, if we put more lime juice, we gotta put more of this powder. And this is good if you serve it with sticky rice, with regular white rice. Here we go. Looks all nice and yummy. So after I gross you guys out with my fingers tossing, I'm gonna try it. That's good. It is yummy. Okay, cameraman. You'll get to eat it.